In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Whether you're creating content or just dabbling in some text-to-speech fun, getting your audio file ready and downloadable is crucial. Let's dive right into the simple steps to achieve this. First, you're going to want to start with the platform open and have your desired text ready. It's exciting to see your written words transform into spoken audio, isn't it? So go ahead and enter all the text you want to convert into speech into the provided text box on the ElevenLabs platform. Once you're satisfied with your text input, look for the Generate button. This step is like the magic wand that begins the transformation process. Click that Generate button, and in just a few moments, you'll see that your text has been processed and converted into an audio file. Now here's the fun part. After your audio file has been generated, you'll notice a download button right there next to your newly created audio clip. This is your cue to grab your audio and make it your own. Simply click that download button. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so don't worry. It's pretty hard to miss. The intuitive design of the platform makes this process a breeze, and it's really just a single click before you have the file in your possession. Once you've clicked download, your audio file will seamlessly begin downloading to your device. The file will download in the MP3 format, which is highly versatile and compatible with most media players. This means you can easily play, share, or even edit it across a wide range of applications. Whether you're adding background music, integrating it into a video, or simply listening to it on a loop, the MP3 format ensures that you have flexibility and ease of use. It's that easy. No complicated steps or additional software required. You've successfully downloaded your audio in just a few clicks. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these features, the faster and more intuitive the process becomes. So there you have it, a quick and easy method to download audio from ElevenLabs. I hope you found this guide helpful in enriching your content creation journey. And remember, technology is here to make our lives easier. Enjoy experimenting with different texts and voices, and most importantly,